So let's start the video. Go to Insert tab and insert a triangle. Rotate it like this a little bit more and then move it upwards towards the left corner. Rotate it once more and make it look like this. Increase its size a little bit. That's it. Now go to Insert again and in Shapes and insert a rectangle like this. Rotate it as you had done to the triangle. The angle have to be the same. Now change the color of the triangle to black and remove its outline. There you go. Now what you have to do is select this rectangle and change its color to blue. Rotate it a little bit more because its angle is not perfect yet. I'm going to rotate it more. A little bit more. That's it. Now go to Insert and Shapes and insert this shape. Move it towards the backwards. Increase its size. Adjust it like this. Reduce its radius. Let me adjust it. Yeah, so this is the shape. Now go to Insert and insert a line. Make it denser. Change its color to blue. Adjust it. That's it. Paste it. And change the second color to blue as well. Move it onto that black triangle. Go to Shapes and insert a rectangle. Edit points and edit as points like this. Enter. Now go to Insert and insert a triangle. Rotate it. Place it onto this rectangle into the corner of the page. And you have to decrease its size like this. Adjust it like this. There you go. Now insert another triangle. Rotate it. Make it smaller and change its direction. And there you go. You have to place it like this next to the bigger one. And you have to decrease the size of the bigger triangle as well. Change its color to light blue. And change the color of the smaller one to black. Adjust these like this. Now add a line and make a pattern of several lines onto this black triangle using these blue lines. You have to use 6 to 7 lines. Make a regular pattern. That's it. Adjust it. You have to neatly adjust it so that it looks better. Now the next thing you have to do is add a rectangle, change its color to white, and you have to move it towards the downside of the page. That's it. Now the next thing you have to do is that you have to go to wait a second. Yeah, insert in shapes and insert these shape circle icons. You have to choose 3 circles and then add the icons of email, website, and there you go, email, phone, and fax and other things. Now we're gonna add company title here and the logo as well. You have to add your text and contact here. Increase its size and decrease its spacing. Increase the title size. There you go. Now the next thing you have to do is change the color of the title to blue as well. Add the shape, rotate it and change its color to blue. Increase its corner, change its color to light blue. Right click on it and paste it. Make it smaller, change its color to dark blue. There you go. That's the final logo. You can make your own logos and you can also insert your own logo in here. Now going back to shapes, we're gonna add a text box and we're gonna write the current date at which we're writing this letterhead. Bold it, change its font and color to blue. There are plenty of colors and fonts that you can choose. Be sure to like the video and subscribe my channel if you like the video. See you in another video soon.